Session we will start with our floral diagram, and it's the last topic to discuss because I have completed the descriptive terminology, but it's play important role. Floral formula and diagram is very important topic, as we know that it's have the main marks during your practical exam. It is considered that it's important to write floral diagram and floral formula if you identify the flower correctly. I am saying with both views, practical as well as your theory. And every plant have a characteristic formula that is identification of a plant, so there is no mistake is acceptable, and you can write easily the floral formula. There is no need to memorize it and make them in mnemonics. As you see the plant, you can derivate it. So we will start with our symbols. This symbols is used in floral formula. First symbol is plus symbol and surrounded by circle. It is the for it's indicate the floral is actinomorphic. Actinomorphic means that floral have the radial symmetry. When the flower have radial symmetry, we use actinomorphic, that it is divided in from each and every part, from each and every plane into two equal half. We used to call that actinomorphic. Then there is a plus sign and percentage sign that indicate the zygomorphic. Zygomorphic in animal kingdom we call this bilateral symmetry, and it is signifies by when you cut a flower. Suppose this is a flower. If you cut by radial, then it's not equal divided in equal part. Then what you will do? So for this, to divide plant in equal part, you can't divide like this, like this, like this. The floral is not completely divided in two parts. So for this, the floral is cut from in between, that is median. So it is divided in equal parts. So it is known as zygomorphic. Then next term is pistillate. Pistillate means that flower have only carpel. If the flower contain only carpel, then it is known as pistillate. Okay, the sign indicated by female sign. And if the flower have male part, not female part, that don't have the female part, then it is known as staminate. So it is indicated by the the sign, that is male sign. Then K indicate for calyx. This K indicate for the calyx, and the 5 is written the number of calyx present, and that is not in bracket, that it means it is free. And in next, the calyx is 5 is under the bracket, that is calyx is united. Now next come 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 means there is two holes in which there is 4 sepals in 2 holes. Matlab means there is in one hole there is 2 sepals. Okay, there is 2 group. Then next is 3 by 2, that is calyx is bilabiate. So bilabiate means just like this. An upper lip with 3 lobes, it has 3 lobes, and lower lip with 2 lobes. Then we indicate by this 3 by 2. And the calyx is 4 to 5, that is sometime it have 4 numbers, sometime it's a 5 number. Okay, then we come to the corolla. Same 5 is the number of petal present and it will be free, then that is written as C5. And if it is united, then it is written under bracket. And the corolla 2 by 3 means that corolla have bilabiate and it have upper 2 lips and lower 3 lips. Then sometime P is represent to the perianth. Perianth is structure is known to calyx plus corolla structure is known as perianth. And perianth with 5 represent that 5 is then it's the perianth, as we know corolla means petals, then perianth, an individual unit is known as sepal. So if 5 is united, then it is under bracket. Then perianth with 3 plus 3 means there is 2 holes present, of which have 3 tuples in their 2 holes. Total is 6, but there is 2 hole of 3 and 3. Then A denotes androecium, that is stamen, number of stamen present. Then 5 denote that it is free. If it is under bracket, then it is united. Then 2 plus 2 indicate that the androecium is didynamous. Didynamous means that it has 2 group of androecium, so it is didynamous. That is term used for this, didynamous. If 2 plus 4 indicate, that means there is 2 holes, that outer is, inner have 4 androecium and outer have only 2 androecium, so it is 2 plus 4, that is known as tetradynamous. Then 1 plus 9 is, that is, it is diadelphous. Diadelphous is a 2 group in which 1 androecium is free and other is united. 9 androecium are united by their filament, that is known as diadelphous. Then C is underscored by A, so it is a condition when androecium is attached to corolla, so it is known as epipetalous. So stamen is epipetalous, in which corona is 5 united and androecium is free. Then gynoecium with 2, that is gynoecium is bicarpellary and 2 that is free, and the underscore sign represent that is the ovary is superior. Then same like gynoecium, if it is below the score, then it is known as inferior. So it's a symbol used for floral diagram. Next we see that it's a, that is floral formula. Then it is floral diagram in which there is different plants are indicated. That you will see that is first diagram is Brassica campestris, that is belongs from Brassicaceae family, in which the outer hole is known as, that is your calyx, inner is corolla, and innermost is androecium, and there is two partition is, that is gynoecium. And with their floral diagram you can easily write the floral formula. These two are alternated. If you know the floral diagram, and then you will write the floral formula. If you know the